Guys, if you are not familiar with WordPress, so WordPress helps you to make website. Okay, so you can just go ahead to this website called as cuckoocourses.com. So you can just go to this website. It is newly created website by us. You can just go to courses from here. Okay, just go to courses, and then here you will going to see we have lot many courses. So you can just go ahead with kind of where is that option of web development. So you can just tap on this web development, and then you can see we have plenty of courses like how to make digital marketing agency website, how to make website like Facebook, how to web design with WordPress, how to create personal branding website, how you can create affiliate website, how you can create drop shipping website with WordPress, how you can create e-commerce website with WordPress, how you can create online course website with WordPress. We also have a dedicated 1 hour course on how you can optimize your WordPress website with WP Rocket. So guys, we have now told you how you can basically install WordPress to the CloudWays using cloud servers. Now if you want to know how you can create website with the help of WordPress, now the coming procedures will be taught in these courses. Or if you already know how to use WordPress, then it's okay. Now in case if you want to create any kind of blogging website or anything, if you will click on next, how you can create money making blogging website for your WordPress website, so we have also taught that inside our website itself. So you can see plenty of WordPress related courses. So if you want to know what you want to do after you install the WordPress, so you can just go ahead to this website called is cuckoocourses.com, and inside this website you will going to get plenty of courses. You can see tons of courses, design, 3D development, and many more courses with live chat support as well. Okay, so that is a very great thing. So you can just go ahead and you can use, this is our website only. Okay, so you do not need to worry, you have my support, and you can just go ahead and you can just create website with the help of WordPress very easily. Okay, so this was the thing guys which I want to guide you what you can do with WordPress. Okay,